This has now moved to the top of the list. And it's not that I dislike it, but I hardly smelled it.
No basic zone.
It's your girl Stushy back with another video. If you're new, then hey boo, my name is Stushy. Make sure that if you are new, you go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below. We want you to become a part of the Stush gang, and we're on the road to 5K. Well, we're trying to touch 5K by the end of the year, so make sure you hit that subscribe button to join us along the journey. And if you are one of my lovely returning subscribers, then welcome back to the channel, you guys. You guys know I'm always happy to have you guys back to check out a brand new video. So always gotta catch my breath after that one. So as you guys have already read from the title, I'm going to be giving you guys my updated review about the Forvr Mood candles by Miss Jackie Aina by Auntie Jackie. So if you haven't already checked out my initial review, go ahead and check that video out up above. I'll leave a card up there for you guys to click on. Make sure you guys watch that video before you guys watch this video. This thing's still heavy, y'all. I went ahead and got the Forvr Mood gift box as I mentioned in initial review. So today I'm going to be updating you guys about my thoughts on the candles from Forvr Mood. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. I don't want to keep you guys here too long. A lot of you guys wanted me to film an updated review about the candles after I burned them, so here we are. I burned all of them. I'm actually burning one right now. So first things first, as I mentioned in the initial review, I do have the gift box with all 4 of the candles that Miss Jackie launched. So in the initial review, I mentioned that my most favorite was Caked Up, my second favorite was Left on Red, third favorite was Matcha Business, and my least favorite was Caked Up. So things have kind of changed now that I've burned them. I'm actually burning Cuffin Season right now. Cuffin Season was the only candle that I didn't get a chance to burn, but it's been burning for around an hour and a half because I did film a look prior to this video. So it's been burning for a good enough time for me to give you guys my review about Cuffing Season. So I'm going to start from my most favorite, or what I thought was my most favorite, to my least favorite. So how do I feel about Cuffing Season? Honestly, I thought I was going to love this scent, and it's not that I dislike it, but it's very faint. I hardly smelled it. It might be the faintest of all of the 4 candles that came in the gift box. So I really do like Cuffing Season, but I'm not gonna put it as my first or my most favorite right now, even though I categorized it as my most favorite in my initial video. Obviously you guys have to burn it first to see if you really like it, and which is why I'm here. She smells really good. I'm not gonna say that she doesn't smell really good. She smells really good, but the throw is not throwing me. The throw is not hitting me, slapping me, punching me. It's very, very, very faint. But I would say this is the most unisex candle out of all 4 of the candles that come in the gift box. This one is the most unisex scent. You could definitely burn this when your boo's around, and he won't find any problems with the scent because it's so faint and it's very unisex. It doesn't smell too girly. It doesn't smell too masculine. I feel like the name is fitting for the candle Cuffing Season. It's perfect for everyone. So the next candle that I categorized as my second favorite was Left on Red. So I have Left on Red right here. I honestly love Left on Red, you guys. Like, I burned it. I want to say I probably burned it for maybe like 3-4 hours one day, and honestly, the one thing that I'll say about these candles, they do take a while to burn. They do live up to the burn time. Although I haven't finished any of the candles, other candles, when you burn it 3-4 hours, it's damn near like three-quarters of the jar is gone. This one is still pretty full. So that's one thing that I will say. The burn time is pretty accurate. It does burn for a pretty long time. This has now moved to the top of the list. This is my favorite scent in the entire gift box. I just love Left on Red. It smells so good, you guys. And if I had to choose any of the scents and purchase them all over again, I'd be buying Left on Red. It smells really good. So good, you guys. It smells like cream. It just smells like everything you want a candle to smell like, or everything I want a candle to smell like. So if I had to repurchase a candle from Forvr Mood, Left on Red will be the candle that I repurchase. Moving down on the list, my third favorite, or the candle that I said was my third favorite in my initial review, was Matcha Business. Now, Matcha Business is almost she's like pretty much like halfway. It smells really good. I honestly didn't really think that I would like Matcha Business as much, but I feel like being that we're in the cozier seasons, this is fitting, and maybe that's why I like it so much. It smells like coffee. It smells like hazelnut coffee. And honestly, I feel like this is the one candle out of the entire box that I feel like even after you've outed the candle, you can still smell it. I'll have this sitting in my room and I haven't lit it in 2 days, but I can still smell it even though it's not being burned. So I actually really like that about this candle. I would actually repurchase this one as well, but I feel like this is not a perfect candle for year round. This is fitting for the holiday season. This is more fitting for the fall season. I wouldn't be burning this in the middle of August, I'm just saying. But thinking about it, I actually would repurchase Matcha Business. This is my second favorite now on the list. So are you guys with me? We're rearranging the list. Number 1, number 2, okay? And the last candle in the gift box is Caked Up. Now, Caked Up is still not my favorite candle. Caked Up is still last on the list. I don't know, something about it. It smells good. It's just not something that I would gravitate to when I purchase a candle. Does that make sense? She's alright. She's alright. I've burned maybe a fourth of this candle already, as you guys can see, and it's cool. It's cool. There's not too much to say about it. I also feel like you can smell this candle once you've stopped burning it. Along with Matcha Business, you really smell the two even after you've stopped burning it for a few days. The scent kind of lingers in the room. I do have a pretty small room, but I feel like the scent does linger. So I think the faintest of the candles is cuffing season. I'm going to continue to burn it, obviously, because I spend my hard-earned coins, but yeah, it's number 3. I really wish that the throw was a lot more strong, and I actually thought cuffing season was going to be my ride or die, but she falls third on the list. So we have Left on Red, Matcha Business, cuffing season, and then Caked Up. Okay, so I haven't purchased anything from Forvr Mode. What should I get? Should I get anything? What's tea? What should I do? So honestly, if you want to support Miss Jackie Aina, I would suggest that if you want to pick up one candle, get Left on Red. I really like Left on Red. I actually really like Matcha Business as well. If you want something just for the holidays, you want something to burn right now, get Matcha Business. If you want something to burn year round, Left on Red is your girl. But if you want something again for the holidays, get Matcha Business. Those are my top 2 favorites out of all 4 of the candles that actually come in the gift box. I personally wouldn't suggest you get the gift box unless you want to really smell each and every single one, but I could do without Caked Up, and I could do without cuffing season as well, for the simple fact that it's so faint. Like, I wish the throw was a little bit stronger, but these are just my opinions. Nonetheless, I really am happy that I got the gift box. The gift box has been sitting on my bookshelf, just looking cute. It's a vibe sitting on my bookshelf, so I'm actually really happy that I got this. And then once I finish burning all the candles, I'll probably use this as storage for, I don't know, makeup or something. I'm not too sure what I'm gonna put in this boxes yet once I've burned all the candles, but I did want to come back on here and update you guys about my thoughts and opinions on the Forvr Mode candles, because a lot of you guys have been asking me for this video. So let me know if this helped you guys any. I know she's going to be restocking. I think she already had a restock after her initial launch, but if you've been holding out and if you've been watching reviews, hopefully my review helped you guys make a decision on if you're going to be purchasing. I haven't decided if I'm going to get the silk pillowcases yet. I actually have satin pillowcases on my bed, but silk is 10 times better, so maybe I'll go ahead and purchase those. I don't think I really need the headband, because if you're OG Triple HD Stushy, and y'all know I'm bald headed underneath this wig, but I might get the pillowcases. So yeah, if you guys already have some Forvr Mode candles, let me know which ones you guys have. Let me know how you guys are liking them. If you are not liking them, let me know down below in the comments. If you guys did enjoy today's video, make sure you go ahead and leave your girl a big thumbs up down below, so that way I know. And if you haven't already subscribed to join the Stush gang, then don't head out without hitting the subscribe button down below to officially become a part of the gang. And make sure you guys also turn on your post notifications to be alerted whenever I upload the next video. That one is a long one. So as you guys kind of, and I actually thought cuffing season was going to be my actually thought cuffing season was